Hello, maayong gabi sa tanan. Another long form video of me, brother. Hello guys. So today I want to talk about paano maging confident, no? Especially na state of being, this kind of energy, being confident, being sure is one way of knowing, identifying a person who is successful in life. Kasi kung hindi ka sigurado, meaning hindi sure yung vibration mo, how can you create? How can you be in a positive state kung hindi ka sure? So this are my tips to be confident by. 1. Go out and explore. Explore, travel. Kung may budget ka, why not travel outside of the country to add another perspective? Involve yourself out there. Try to communicate. Sometimes, kasi yung mga bagong generation ngayon, nasanay tayo may computers, may mga laptops, by Wi-Fi, internet. We forgot to communicate to others by. So you need to go out there. Magsalita ka, kausapin mo sila, sister. Learn how to flirt. Learn how to be human, basically. Nangyayari kasi sa atin by na desensitized ba tayo? Is that a word? Sa Matrix. So go out there by communicate, talk to them, talk to your friends, talk to your family, no? Acquire social skills by para maging confident ka. What else? Being confident is being sure of what you like, what you want. So I want you to want for yourself, wanting to create things that you really desire. Because once you have a bit of desire, a bit of passion by, that is the motivation for you to keep going even when it's hard. So keep on doing things, not just because it's hard, but you know you're motivated because that motivation is your fuel, your fire to continue what is your mission. What is my mission? First of all, my mission is to be happy and to create good memories in my life and to share that to other people. And for me to do that, that is for me to have my hero's journey. Hero's journey to travel, solo travel, think of my own, also share the blessing that I have acquired in my life, but live my life to the fullest without exemption of control of the outside matrix. It is created by myself only. And that's what I want by for myself. And that's what I want for you as well. Because imagine if everyone did. Imagine if everyone are happy with what they're doing. So less depression, less anxiety, less war, because we already understand ourselves. War is a matter of not understanding, being unconscious. But now when we are conscious, we understand, oh, you are just part of me. I can love you, I can understand you. I love myself. I understand myself so I can understand you. Be conscious. Be awake. Be aware. Don't be fooled of the mainstream media news about judgment and polarity. I understand there is light and dark, but don't be consumed by the dark. Creation as its finest give birth to life, blessed and love.